Hey, are you tired of being unprofitable? Are you tired of blowing your account? Are you tired of blowing that profit from account? I've got you a strategy that has a 95% win rate, which is called my NBA strategy. If you want to know how this works, watch this video. I'm on the GBP USD chart on the 1 hour time frame. First, what we're going to do about the NBA strategy is that we first spot the trend of the market in a higher time frame, which is the 1 hour. You understand? When we spot the trend, then we now move to the 5 minutes. We will now add moving average, which is the 50, 20, and the 200. They will now use that to take our entry. This is the NBA strategy, my own strategy, which I created. This strategy is 95%. If done well, I'll continue to say it. If done well, I'm going to show you guys how it's been done again. Let's see. First, we need to identify the trend. So what can we see here? From here, the markets have been creating highs, and the highs have been taken, which indicates an uptrend. You can see this high was broken, this high was broken, this high never got broken. So we're still on an uptrend, I understand. And for let's take out our trend line and identify the trend. We have an uptrend, so this place we have an uptrend, like it's in a channel. This is what we have right now. First, we've identified the trend of the market. Then when we identify the trend, then we now align it into a channel. You understand? So we can use that to trade, so that we can know maybe we have left the channel, so that we know maybe there's a change of trend or anything. I guess after that, we move on to the 5 minutes. So let's go to the 5 minutes and input a couple of indicators, and then we start trading. Simple. Now we're on the 5 minute time frame. I added 3 indicators, which is the 20 moving average exponential, the 50, and the 200. As you can see, the 20 is the blue moving average, which is this one. The 50 is the red, and the yellow, which is the 200, which we can use to know the trend of the market. This is how it goes. If we are looking for a buy, the 20 moving average, which is the blue, must be above the 50 and above the 200 in this direction. As you can see, we can see the blue, which is the 20, and the 50 and the 200. We can see here. If it's on a downtrend, this is how it should be. We have the 20 moving average first, the red and the blue. So that's just basically this is how we're going to take our trades. Now, since we've identified the trend, and we found out that what was the trend? We're in an uptrend. So that's telling us that we are only going to take buy trades in this trend, buy trades only, and leave the rest. This is how it works. Since I've explained to you what is a buy trend and how we can take a buy trend, we need to see first the 200 moving average must be below all the whole moving average first. Where can we see that? I think the moving average is below here. And then when it's below, the 20 and the 50 must cross each other under the 200, or we can take it when there's a retest and the 50 is red here, not the 20. 50. What can we see here? Let's zoom it so we can see better. What can we see here? We have the cross, and if you are buying, the blue must be above, and the yellow must be below. So the blue was above. They even cross each other here. Enter for a buy. When we enter for a buy, we are just going for a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. You enter a long here. What did I say? 1 to 2 risk reward. 1 to 2 risk reward. 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, and that's it. We got our profit there. You can see we got our profits very, very easy. Very, very easy, guys. So now we wait for another setup. We can enter again when the market bounce off the 50 moving average. That's when we can enter again. We got that. It bounced off here. Let me see. It bounced off here. It bounced off here. I think we lost this one. Bounce off here, and we lost this one. I think we lost this one. Or we enter along here straight. We lost this one. Yes, we lost this one. So we lost this straight there. Now let me tell you guys something. This is why we added, this is why we added the trend line. So the trend line, you know, the market is in a range, like it goes up and come down. You know that when the market touches here, what will happen? The market automatically comes down. The best place to buy is around here when there's a push up from this side here. This is the best part to buy, and anything from above here, you should know that the market will reverse, because the market can't just be going up. No, it has to go down, then go up, then, you understand. So now we can't enter this trade. You never touched the 50 moving average. But guys, be careful here. Don't be tempted. See, don't be tempted, because if it touches the blue, and even though you are going to even enter this trade, just know it's very risky, because we know price about to reverse here. Understand? Because we've already know the trend of the market on a higher time frame, which is the 1 hour. So we know price will reverse here. So you can be patient and wait for price to come back to somewhere here, or in the middle, before you can enter another smooth trade. We couldn't enter here, then it came down. Wait for the 200 moving average to be above the both indicators, and when it's above, we must see the red and blue crosses themselves upward, then or the prices should bounce off the 50 moving average. Let's see what happened here. It crossed, so it crossed below here. We can't enter, so we have to wait for a retest, and it got tested here. Then we enter for our long, our 1 to 2, just 1 to 2 risk reward. Don't be greedy, guys. Don't be greedy. This is just a scalping strategy, but very, very profitable. Don't be greedy, guys. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. We got our 1 to 2 risk reward. Very smooth. Very, very smooth. That's for that. What do we have here again? The price reversed back again. We already know the trend of the market, so we're just catching those movement that makes that uptrend. You guys understand what I'm saying? There's no how, if you do this strategy, you can't run out of loss. If you follow the steps, you'll be in profit a minimum 80 to 85%. Even though you don't do it right, you made some mistake, you always be in profit. Is that because we've eliminated a lot of position that will have made us lose any funds. The only time we might lose funds, maybe if we got in a position where the price might reverse. That's only when we can lose, if done well. Yeah, let's look for more opportunities. Is below here, we can't enter, so we look for when it's above. I think let me zoom here so we can see. Let me zoom. The crossing happened here, so we can enter for a long here. Guys, this thing is very, 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 very effective. You can go and try it out, guys. Try it out, but first test on your demo, because we're going to make some mistakes before you go on the live account. This strategy is very good past any prop firm account, or to grow your small account. Very easy. Get your 1 to 2 and you have to remarket. See, we got our 1 to 2 smooth, very smooth. See, guys, profits. We've seen 4 wins or 3 to 4 wins, and we've had 1 loss. I don't know why there's a loss. Again, I've explained it to you guys. That's it. No, okay, price have reversed. Then we start looking for a buy position here. But we can only now buy until when the moving average is above the 200 here. You understand? If it was a bearish market, that's when we can sell here. If it's a bearish market, the 200 must be below all the whole moving averages. Guys, just take note. This is very simple. Just vice versa. Take note, you go from 1 hour to 5 minutes, then entries in 5 minutes, because a lot of people ask me time frame, entry time frame is on the 5 minutes. We will go and check the trend on the 1 hour, then entry 5 minutes. Simple, guys. We can see here price crossed here. We can't enter, we have to wait. The only time we can enter here is to wait for the retest on the 50 moving average, which is the red one. We never got anything. I think we got one here. You see, enter here. What do? Just enter your 1 to 2 out of the market. You see, we got in. So let me zoom it for us to see. The retest here, we got in around here. After the retest, you enter on the next candle, which is this one, you know, and we got our 1 to 2. Very smooth and easy, before the price reverse back. So guys, don't be greedy, just take your 1 to 2 and be out of the market. Before you see why I told you why we need to draw our trend line, so we should know when the trend has expired in the market. So you see why we have the trend line, so that we know when the trend is over, then we can adjust. Let me go back to the 1 hour first. See what we just did right now. This is what we just did. You can see the 1 hour right here. This is what we just did. You can see the 1 hour right here. See, this is an uptrend. So just catching the all those little movements in the market. We can see till the trend expired. That's just it, guys. My NBA strategy. I didn't select any trade. This is the latest GBP/USD chart. Today is Saturday. I think 12th of August, because it's Friday. I'm saying here, so it should be 12th of August. Guys, this is the latest GBP/USD. This is it, guys. I think we took how many trade? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we lost 1, 5. You see, guys, this is the best strategy I created myself, because I put my chest and said I created this side. Use this thing and be profitable. Use it to grow your account past any profit. I want you guys to be profitable. That's my heart desire. That's why I started this channel. I want to see every trader as profitable. If you know this video have helped you, please give it a subscribe and share. And if you have any question, please leave your comment down below. I will do my best to respond to them. Bye for now, guys.